we have our father, main character, Quinton Schofield, who's a local boy here and very, very top-rated spearfisher and diver and free diver. Yeah! There's nothing else but Tahiti and New Zealand around you. Great hunters have come back. We've had to come outside the reef, and we're in the South Pacific Ocean trying to find some fish so that we can put in the canoe for scene 3 and 4. How'd we go, Alec? How'd we go? Good? Lots of fish?
Yeah, we have plenty of fish.
Still alive. The things we do to make you a nice, beautiful short film to represent Aitutaki. Beautiful. The boys have been in the water here for the past 2 hours. No problem at all, eh, bro?
No problem, no problem.
Today we were out in the water getting the fish so that we could do all the detail work for scene 3, which is where father and son leave the area that they're catching no fish to the area where they have to trespass, and fishing is plentiful. So we just did the details for that. It was a bit of an exciting day today, eh? And we're now preparing for the shoot. Today's Sunday, so we shouldn't really be working. So we're just taking it nice and easy. And then Tuesday we're preparing for our first camera setup and first scene setup for the Warriors chasing father and son, which is Quinton Senior and Junior. See you on Tuesday.